Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mariah and I make DIY videos. Before we get into this video, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's have some fun in this video. Love you guys. Mwah. What you will need: scissors, Cricut utensil, transfer tape, permanent vinyl, a plain coffee mug, a scraper, cutting board. How to make it. Step 1. Once you open the Cricut app, it should look something like this. You're going to start a new project and insert an image. I just searched coffee sayings and found my desired saying. Once you choose your desired picture, you're going to want it to be 3 by 3. I find this to be the perfect size for coffee mugs. Next, you're going to click Make It, and it should take you to this image. Step 2. Now put the vinyl on top of the cutting board and insert it into the Cricut machine. Now it should bring you to the screen. Everything looks correct and we're going to print it. Step 3. Now I'm going to take the scissors and cut around the image. Now I'm going to use the utensil to remove all the excess vinyl. Be sure to be very gentle. Now I'm going to remove the rest of the excess vinyl, the smaller pieces. Again, be very gentle. it should look something like this. Step 4. Now we're going to use the transfer tape. Cut out the same size as your image. Step 5. Remove the tape off of the transfer tape paper and place it over your vinyl image. Now take the scraper and make sure it's nice and smoothly on there. Step 6. Take your coffee mug and place the vinyl image onto the coffee mug. Be sure that the image is completely on your transfer tape. Again, be very gentle. Smooth the vinyl image onto the cup. Step 7. Remove the transfer tape. Final results! Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!